Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to Spotlight. Make sure the app is updated and you are on the correct account. Tap the Spotlight tab, find the snap you want, and pause it. This creates a stable reference. Once done, tap the uploader's username to view their profile. You need that context to check interactions. Make sure notifications are enabled in Snapchat settings so you can catch updates quickly, and keep the snap open while you proceed to the next steps. You now examine the available engagement signals because Spotlight hides precise likes. Start with visible metrics. Play counts and share indicators show relative performance. Then scroll the uploader's profile to spot sudden follower gains or new Spotlight posts. Patterns indicate high engagement. Once done, read comments and replies for users mentioning likes or screenshots. They often reveal popularity. Make sure to note timestamps and compare similar. You finish by confirming your best estimate and resolving issues. If you own the account, open Creator Insights to see exact engagement. If not, ask the uploader or look for screenshots and creator comments that confirm likes. Once done, compare your findings to play and share counts to produce a sensible like estimate. If numbers seem inconsistent, troubleshoot. Update the app, clear Snapchat cache, sign out and sign back in, or reinstall. This usually fixes display errors. If it doesn't, contact Snapchat support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.